This is Cs50 Football. Hope I did that right. My name is Chris Crowley. I'm an extension school student, so my year doesn't really matter. I don't have a dorm or house. I'm not on campus, and my concentration, I'm in the master's program for mathematics for teaching. I'm taking this class as an elective. I very much enjoyed it as a computer science class. Other details, I'm a football coach, so that was the inspiration for this project. This is Cs50 Football, which is a database with a website linking to the database that allows you to analyze your team's performance, what you're doing well, what you're not doing so well. So on the welcome page, you can see it describes the three main pages on the website with a hyperlink to where you should start, which is adding plays. So let's add plays to our playlist, our database. Let's go run to the right, and we gained, let's say, 12 yards. And we could call maybe a pass to the right that gained, just 1 yard, we'll say. Okay, so it says play added. Visit the playlist to see all the plays added. Okay, and you go to the playlist, and here you can see a bunch of plays that I added from prior videos, to be perfectly honest. And you can see at the end here our run to the right for 12 and our pass to the right for 1 with the total at the bottom. Okay, this is just a link to the database, and you can see kind of the raw SQL database here that this is pulling directly the table, and it's just outputting it here. Not very interesting on its own, it's just what you added. Okay, so the analysis is more interesting. So analysis table, this groups the plays by how many passes to the middle. There were 2, they totaled 3 yards, and we got an average of 1.5 yards per play. You can see that for all the other play types as well. And yards per play is really the most important statistic because, how many yards did this play gain on average when I ran it? And that influences the breakdown here. So the best play, okay, so what's my best play? When I need, this is good, this would help a coach because when he needs a lot of yards on a play, what's the one that we can, kind of have a go-to play? Let's run it up the middle because we got 21 yards per play for that one. It's a very good play. A worst play, maybe what we need to practice. So you can see a pass up the middle, on average, gained us 1.5 yards per play. Not very good, not very reliable, so maybe that's something we'll work on. So this would be a very useful tool for a football coach. It's just kind of analyzing what he wants to practice more and what to call more. You could add complexity by maybe adding a formation as a column in here, or you could maybe say yards needed versus yards gained. What percentage of the yards needed to play gain? There's a lot of ways to expand upon this, but the basic framework would definitely be a useful tool. So thanks for watching.